Lazzari.
And I'm Eric Lazzari. We're the homeowners building the first net zero solar home in Wilmington, North Carolina. This is the first home that we've actually built from ground up for ourselves. I'm president of Lazzari Construction. We are primarily a custom home builder here in the Wilmington area, doing anywhere from 2 to 5 homes a year. We also do some commercial work, but it's primarily custom homes. We started the company back in 2006 and have been building homes ever since.
My career has been working in the environment for the last 20 years. I'm an environmental engineer, chemical engineer, and have been a real strong proponent of keeping my footprint as low as I can.
Our kids are settling back in Wilmington. We have grandkids growing up here, so we wanted to build a home in Wilmington so we would have a place to entertain the family. Probably the best part about Wilmington is the culture here. It's kind of diverse. We've always kind of liked the funky vibe of Wilmington. We hope to put a pool in the backyard at some point and be able to have all the kids and grandkids congregate here.
The best thing about Wilmington is the family that we have here. That's really the most important thing to us right now.
Yeah. When we were working on the design of the house, there were certain things that we wanted. We wanted it to be low cost going forward. You know, as we kind of ease into retirement, we're wanting to keep our living costs minimized through retirement. So we wanted to put solar panels on the house to eliminate an electricity bill, and also probably our next vehicle that we buy would be a electric vehicle. So we can use the solar panels to charge that and eliminate fuel costs also.
So net zero means you're generating at least as much as the house consumes.
If we lose power, whenever the sun comes out after the storm, we'll start generating electricity again, and we'll have battery backup, which carries you through the night, carries you through protracted cloudy days, even though you're still generating. And when the power's down, we'll have plenty of power without a generator. We've eliminated the need for a gas-powered generator and all of the complexities that adds to the project. John Donahue, Cape Fear Solar System, was the only answer for my personal construction. I've known him for about 15 years. He did the first solar job that I ever had down in Southport. We got together, and I'm also an engineer by background, as is John, and we designed what I thought was a really eloquent solar collector system for the client. He installed it, and it has performed flawlessly for 15 years now. So
he's been a good friend to us, and we have a lot of respect for the work that he does. The orientation of the house, for starters, because the south-facing side will have the solar panels, and you can see on this porch we have a lot of shade. We've designed the overhangs that it optimizes the sunlight coming in. So you have sunlight coming in, but you don't have a lot of heat gain.
The exterior walls are 2x6 walls. We didn't do anything extraordinary in the insulation, but we took extra pains to seal it up really well. It's a very tight house. As we went through the design of the house, we wanted to make sure that it would facilitate aging in place. For example, the master suite is on the ground floor. All of the doors are 3-foot openings, so they would facilitate wheelchairs. Our shower is a 0-entry shower, meaning it has no curb, so you could roll the wheelchair into the shower, if you're wheelchair bound. And we put in plenty of wood backer for if we need to install grab bars in the future around the toilet, or in the back of the shower.
The main reason that I would do this is to reduce my carbon footprint. That's worth a lot to me. It might save us money, and that's great, but to me, the most important piece is that I'm somehow helping the environment. That's what my whole life has been about, is trying to reduce my impact, help society. The companies I've worked for, it's been a big goal of mine to reduce their carbon footprint as well. I use reusable bags. I try to design the landscape so that it will consume more water or more fertilizer, so it'll have less of an impact on the environment as well. So we're really excited about being the first net zero home in downtown Wilmington.